Okay, nice picture, George. Now back to the movie. Wow, elephants are so big. They're the biggest animals on land. Are they heavy? You bet. A big elephant weighs the same as 4 cars. Elephants are really smart, too. They can remember all their friends' faces. Say, do your friends look like these guys? Elephants live in big families. This family is coming from the river, looking for something to eat. They love grass and leaves. In fact, elephants love to munch all day long. An elephant's super long nose is called a trunk. It can pick up grass like a hand. It can even suck up water like a big straw. Elephants talk by making tummy rumbles, but an angry elephant waves its trunk up and down. Watch out! Baby elephants are called calves. They suck their trunks like some children suck their thumbs. When it gets hot, elephants stay near water. They also flap their big ears to keep cool. Can you flap your ears?